My fabled assistant told me today was the day I needed to sit down and to do some fractional PID tuning, looking at the nuances of every decimal point in Betaflight. But I soon realised that was boring. So I decided to grab a brand new drone from the shelf and take it out to the field and cause carnage.
Every year, hundreds, if not thousands of people will go and buy their very first drone. So BoyWonderFPV and I set ourselves the challenge to log on to AliExpress, to find the most purchased drone and to find out whether or not it's any good. And the way we're going to do that, this is it by the way, 8K dual camera. But the way we're going to do that, well, we're going to look at the reviews on AliExpress. We're going to see what the reviews say, and then we're going to do exactly what the reviews are saying it's good at and find out whether that is true or not. So we're going to start with, first of all, a speed test, then we're going to move to a camera test, and then finally, we're going to have a durability test. If it passes all three of those, we'll highly recommend it. This thing cost 15 quid. We are out here and we are going to test the speed of the most sold popular drone on AliExpress against a 75mm tiny whoop, because the reviews, as you can see here, all say this drone is one of the fastest drones that people have ever owned.
Unfortunately, the AliExpress drone had other ideas. Every time we tried to line up a proper run, the controls start to glitch, the signals start to drop out. The drone began behaving like it was being controlled by Angry Karen. After several attempts, we came to the conclusion: it might be fast, it might be slow, but what it definitely isn't is predictable. And since we'd quite like to keep hold of this for the rest of the review, the speed test had to be cancelled on safety grounds. The one thing I can say is the tiny whoop was 100% faster. The AliExpress drone might be fast, it might be slow, but what it definitely isn't is under control.
As you can see from the footage there, we struggled because this is putting out Wi-Fi and then this is getting affected by it. And we struggled to race it, but what we did see on the camera was a very clear winner. And it wasn't the one that all the reviews on AliExpress say is incredibly quick. It was actually the 75mm tiny whoop. I'm afraid it's lost this round. Let's check some of the footage, because part of the other reviews say this is some of the most quality drone camera that you can expect to buy ever. Here's a shot of my DJI Mavic 4 Pro. And here's a shot of this 8K dual single camera thing. Piece of shit. Anyway, BoyWonder, don't listen. So yeah, that's the comparison of the camera. So it's lost in the race, lost in the camera, but how durable is it? Okay, now, unfortunately, after just 12 minutes, the battery has died, which means durability tests that we wanted to do by crashing two drones into each other isn't going to be possible. However, we're still going to durability test it. I mean, I didn't care to damage it too much. Maybe that will. So we decided it's going to turn itself on, even though it's already exhausted its own battery. This is... Wait, if I give this to BoyWonderFPV and ask him to throw it against here, will it survive? Only one way to find out. Okay, BoyWonder, do it. Something came off it. What was that came off it?
I don't know.
Fetch from underneath the motor vehicle, BoyWonder. BoyWonder, that obviously didn't damage it, did it? Oh, wait. So the durability test then is, would we say it's a pass or a fail, BoyWonder?
Fail.
Damn it. That's 3-0. Damn it.
This is what you call a BoyWonderFPV crash out. He wanted to love the drone, but the drone did not want to love BoyWonderFPV. Sadly, they are now divorced. Never to be seen again in the same room, except with a solicitor and perhaps a restraining order.
If you're a real subscriber, if you're a real one, I'm going to put this picture up on Instagram now, and I want you to comment, that's a beautiful looking DJI Neo, and only real ones will know that you're a real one. Imagine that you are a parent of children. Children often walk on things where they accidentally don't see things and they trip up over things. It would be a shame if somebody was to accidentally stand on this drone. I'm absolutely sure that by standing on it, with it being the most robust drone that anybody on AliExpress has ever seen, I'm sure that it won't get damaged in any way, shape or form. Yikes. I think I might have broke it. The rain is coming down quite heavily now. The question is this worth buying? AliExpress say that it's the fastest drone, it's the most robust drone, and it's a drone with the best camera. Now, unfortunately, we've been able to disprove all three of those things today. Would we recommend it? Well, in its current form, probably not, if I'm honest. Would you like to win a drone? Leave a comment down below. DJI Neo. Like the video, hype the video, share the video, do all that weird things. I've got absolutely no idea what it means. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. How rude am I? Thank you so much for spending the past 10 or 15 minutes with us. We really appreciate it, don't we, Boy Wonder? Yeah. But remember this, one more day.
YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.